Your Windows license will expire soon in Windows. Hey guys, it's me Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. To fix this issue, first and foremost tap in your Windows icon and in the search bar search for services. Double click on it to open it, or you can run as an administrator. Now a list of services will open. So what you have to do is you have to tap on anything from this list right here. Let me show you really quick. So just go ahead and click any one of this, then in your keyboard search for W, and then all of the W alphabet services will open. From here, go ahead and search for Windows License Manager. Here, as you can see, it is right here. Now once you have searched for Windows License Manager, you can just double click on it or give it a right click. So just go ahead and double click on it real quick, and something like this will pop up. Now in the startup type, go ahead and select disable, then tap on the stop option. Now wait for it to something like this to pop up, then tap on OK. Again tap on apply and then OK. Once you do that, you have to restart your PC, so go ahead and do that. This should solve the issue. If not, there is a second step. Tap in the search bar, and this time you have to search for command prompt cmd. Now in the command prompt, you have to type in slmgr space hyphen rearm. Then just tap on enter and let the command prompt code do its work. Now just tap on OK if this dialog box opens up. Now once you do that, what you have to do next is again you have to restart your PC, and once you open your PC, this problem must be solved. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.